In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Slack. If your microphone is not working during a Slack call or huddle, don't worry. This is usually caused by a browser permission setting, and it can be fixed in just a moment. I'll walk you through the exact process clearly so you can get your audio working again. To begin, open Slack and go into the conversation or channel where you want to use audio. From there, click on Huddle. This is the quickest way to confirm whether Slack is able to access your microphone properly. Once the huddle opens, pay attention to what appears on screen. You'll notice that there is a microphone error. This error usually means Slack is being blocked from using your mic, even if your microphone is connected and working fine in other apps. In many cases, the issue is not the microphone itself, but simply that the website does not currently have permission to use it. To fix this, look at the left side of your browser's search bar or address bar. You should see the site information icon. Depending on your browser, this may look like a small lock icon, a settings icon, or another site. Control symbol. Click on that View Site Information option to open the permission settings for the Slack page. Once that menu appears, look for the microphone permission. You should see a microphone icon or a microphone setting listed there. Click on the microphone icon to enable permission for Slack. If there is a drop-down menu, make sure the setting is changed to Allow. This tells your browser that Slack is allowed to use your microphone whenever needed. After enabling the permission, Slack should be able to detect your microphone correctly. If the error does not disappear right away, give the page a moment or refresh the Slack tab so the new permission can take effect. Then try opening the huddle again and test your microphone. A helpful tip is to make sure you're adjusting the permission for the correct browser tab where Slack is open. Also, if you use more than one microphone, check that the right input device is selected in your system or browser settings. And that's it. By opening Huddle, identifying the microphone error, checking the site information in the address bar, and enabling microphone access, you can quickly fix Slack when your microphone isn't working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.